Hey everybody, welcome to another tutorial for DaVinci Resolve with BigBabyDigital.com. Right now we're using an iPad, but this is for a desktop, okay, or a laptop, whatever. Um, this is not the default menu for iPad, but if you got that, you could do this. So this is something that you have to do on the edit page. So get to your edit page. Open up your media pool. Make sure you have at least 2 timelines. And you see, I just duplicated my timeline so I would have 2. Okay, so let's say I want to look at both of these here. Click the timeline button, go up and hit display stacked timelines. Did you guys see that? Now let's check display stacked timelines. All right, and once you have that display, you'll notice you'll get a drop down menu now. And you could toggle between timelines like that. Or you could add and go back to side by side. And if a timeline is open, you can't, open it in both tabs. So it has to be 2 separate timelines. Now you say, oh, that's great. That's all good, but that's not what I'm here for. I came to stack. Let's close this. Okay, it doesn't want to close, so we'll just go ahead and stack. Hit that button. Uh-oh. Okay, hit the stack timeline button. Bam. And you see now there's a timeline down here. We'll select one of the timelines. It won't let me select a timeline, like I said, because I have them both open up here. You can only have one open at a time. So now that we've closed it, we'll be able to open it down here. You see that? And now we can, like, so say this one, I wanted to grab and put it down here. Don't embarrass me. I stretched it out. Voila. And now it's in that timeline. All right, guys. That's it. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.